In today's video, we're going to show you how to view your server console. Now, how to view your server console, the console is going to be one of the most important tools in your server panel. It's going to show the server's live activity in real time, including startup messages, player connections, errors, warnings, and mod-related outputs. If something's going wrong, the console is going to be the first place you're going to want to check. So to start with that, you're going to start logging into the panel, which you're going to go to panel.infectedgamehosting.com. Use your credentials to log in that you received in your welcome email. So once we log in, you're going to locate the server dashboard and you're going to click Manage. Once you click Manage, it's going to open up your server here. Once you get into here, you're going to click onto the console that's just over here on the left-hand side. And this is going to show you all of the error message, if there's any, once it's open. So this is where it's going to be used to display any live information directly from your server. This is where you're going to see whether the server is starting correctly, watch for errors or warning messages, check if the mods are failing to load, confirm when players connected or disconnect, and monitor what happens while the server is running. If your server is having any trouble starting, crashing, or behaving unexpectedly, the console will be often the place to see and identify the issue. Now, the console messages may move quickly if there's a lot of errors when it's starting up the server. If you're troubleshooting an issue and let the server attempt to fully start and review, most of the error messages are shown on the console. Then you can kind of scroll up and find it, copy the error message, and then include that to your support ticket so that we'll be able to help you resolve that ticket and that issue faster.